Hello mga kawika, samahan niyo ako sa part 7 ng ating pagsilip sa News SSHS Curriculum. And in this video, silipin po natin ang course description ng mga core subjects. Ilan na po uli ang ating core subjects? Okay, number 1, we have effective communication / mabisang komunikasyon. And 2, life skills. 3, general mathematics. 4th, we have the general science. Pinaghiwalay na po ito as separate core subjects. And we have the last, number 5, pag-aaral ng kasaysayan at lipunang Pilipino. So we have 5 core subjects at uulitin natin lahat ng mag-aaral sa senior high school. Kukunin po ang lahat ng core subjects na ito regardless kung ano pa man ang kanilang track. So silipin na po natin ang course description. Una, para sa effective communication / mabisang komunikasyon. So sinabi po natin as one core subject lang itong English at Filipino. Ang mga katanungan kung paano ang hatian, hindi pa po ito sinasagot, nananatili pa pong nakapark ang mga tanong na ito. So, this subject is designed to enhance learners' ability to communicate effectively across various contexts. It provides a holistic approach to developing learners' oral, written, and multimodal communication across personal, social, workplace, and professional interactions. It fosters an in-depth understanding of how purpose, audience, and context shape the communication while emphasizing clarity, coherence, intercultural sensitivity, and ethical considerations. By the end of the course, learners shall be able to adapt communication strategies based on purpose, audience, and intercultural sensitivity. Engage confidently in various communicative events, applying appropriate conventions, language, and of course structure. To utilize digital tools and platforms responsibly to enhance communication effectiveness and reflect on their own communication strengths and areas for improvement, applying feedback to refine their skills for real-world application. Samantalang para sa Filipino component, narito po ang description para naman sa mabisang komunikasyon. Nakatuon po ang kursong ito sa paglinang ng mabisang komunikasyon sa Filipino bilang wikang pambansa gamit ang pasalita, pasulat at multimodal na komunikasyon ayon sa layunin, tagapakinig at konteksto na may pagbibigay diin sa interkultural at mga etikal na konsiderasyon tungo sa aktibong pakikisangkot sa isyong panlipunan, pagpapatatag ng kultura at diwang maka-Pilipino. Okay, dito naman po tayo sa life skills. This course aims to equip the learner with essential skills highlighting personal, physical, social, and career competencies, preparing for a meaningful transition to various pathways. It focuses on the interconnectedness of the science of personal development, health and wellness, and career readiness that enable learners to develop self-determination, leadership, adaptability, and resilience to act responsibly in the workplace and community. Okay, dumako naman po tayo sa course description ng General Mathematics. General Mathematics aims to deepen learners' understanding on concepts and techniques drawn from numbers and algebra, geometry, and measurement and statistics. Learners will strengthen their problem-solving and critical thinking skills, enhance their reasoning and interpretive skills in mathematical and statistical contexts, and communicate results concisely and systematically using, of course, the appropriate language. Additionally, learners will be adept in choosing and using technology appropriately and efficiently preparing them for a wide range of educational and employment pathways, including further studies at college. This subject is designed for learners with a wide range of educational and employment aspirations, including continuing their studies at college, but whose future studies or employment pathways may not require the knowledge of calculus. Okay, dito naman po natin, basahin naman natin ang course description ng General Science. This course aims of course to equip learners with essential scientific knowledge, skills, and capabilities to meet the challenges of living and working in a rapidly changing and advancing Philippine society. This course aims to provide learners with the fundamental scientific competencies to help shape a sustainable future for themselves, their communities, and the planet. The course focuses on understanding and applications of the scientific models, theories, and laws that relate to everyday life and work and how these impact on the Philippines as a significant contributor to the world. The curriculum uses a transdisciplinary approach to build understanding of the ways that chemistry, physics, earth and space science, and biology interact to explain natural phenomena, as well as how they can be utilized to advance the Philippine economy. The course builds on learners' personal experiences and understanding of scientific phenomena to support them to be scientific and technological thinkers who can propose and solve problems through scientific observation, data gathering and making, and effectively communicating evidence-based conclusions. Learners will develop practical scientific and critical thinking skills through individual and collaborative scientific investigations and research, preparing them to pursue further education and careers in STEM fields or contribute meaningfully to a science-driven workforce. And lastly, para sa course description ng pag-aaral ng kasaysayan at lipon ng Pilipino, nakatuon ang kursong ito sa masusing pag-aaral, pagsusuri ng mga piling issue at usaping pangkasaysayan at panlipunan tungkol of course sa pag-usbong at pag-unlad ng lipunang Pilipino gamit ang tematiko, multikultural at interdisiplinaryong pagdulog. Layunin nito na mapalalim ang kaalaman at pagpapahalaga ng mga mag-aaral sa kasaysayan, kultura, ekonomiya at politika ng lipunang Pilipino upang mapaigting at maitaguyod ang kahusayang pansipiko na mahalaga sa pagiging isang mapanagutang mamamayan ng Pilipinas at ng daigdig. Okay, nasilip na po natin at nagkaroon tayo ng ideya sa nilalaman ng mga core subjects para sa ating bagong SSHS curriculum. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok mga kawika. Palambing naman po, pahit naman po ng like and subscribe button. God bless us all. See you sa part 8 ng ating pasilip sa Strengthened Senior High School Curriculum. At next video, silipin po natin ang curriculum guide ng mga core subjects at unahin natin ang effective communication. Patuloy na tumutok, patuloy na maging updated sapagkat tayo ang kawal ng karunungan at pagkatuto. Hanggang sa muli, see you in my next video. This is Teacher Lori Padayon. God bless us all.